everyone! So we are super excited for the holidays, and Jeremiah and I this week are going to be showcasing some fun holiday treats that you could be doing at home with your little ones and toddlers. Jeremiah, look at the camera. Okay, so for today's episode, we are going to be making sugar cookies. With Jeremiah's help, we are going to start off with our sugar cookies. First things first, we are going to open up the package and we are going to place a 1/4 cup of flour, and then we're going to combine the ingredients together to get started. Jeremiah is going to pour in the 1/4 cup of flour into the bowl. Go ahead, Jeremiah, pour it in. Good job. What we're going to do next is we're going to combine and mix the flour with the sugar cookies. So now we have combined the sugar cookie dough with the flour, and what we're going to do next is we're going to get our rolling pin and we are going to roll out these amazing sugar cookies, and then we're going to use our Christmas cookie cutters to create nice holiday shapes. So now with the help of Jeremiah, we are going to use this rolling pin and over here, just like this, good job. Just like this, good job. Mommy's gonna come here and we're gonna roll, roll, roll. Roll, roll, roll your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Good job, Jeremiah. So this is exactly how you are going to roll out your sugar cookies. Yeah, now do it yourself. Good job, keep going. Yeah, roll it. Good job, Jeremiah, keep going, roll it. Wow, good job. Keep on rolling. Oh, that's fine, that's fine. We'll keep rolling, Mommy will fix that. Good job. Okay, so now we are going to end the rolling. Thank you, thank you. Then going to use, good job. So Jeremiah's getting a head start. So we are going to use our holiday cookie cutters and we are going to create amazing shapes. So Jeremiah, yes, that's a star. Good job, Jeremiah. Okay, what's this? It's a gingerbread man, good job. Okay, what's this? It's a snowman. Good job. Snowman. Good job. Wow, Jeremiah, you're an expert at this. Okay, that's excellent. So we used the star already. We have to use it for shape. So what is this, Jeremiah? Triangle. No, yes, it's a triangle shape, but it's a Christmas tree. Say Christmas tree. Good job. Put it over here. Excellent job, Jeremiah. Okay, and what's this shape? I can't see. It's a reindeer. Yeah. Excellent. Okay. And we're going, excellent. Okay. And one last shape over here. Excellent job, Jeremiah. Okay. And we're going to use one more snowman here. Place it right here. Right here. Excellent. So now we are going, excellent. Okay. So that's enough. Okay. So now we are going to take them apart. Take the pieces apart. No, don't press it. So we have our shapes. Star. You wanna help Mommy? Excellent, okay. And we're going, excellent, okay. And one last shape over here. Excellent job, Jeremiah. Okay, and we're gonna use one more snowman here. Place it right here. Right here. Excellent. So now we are going, excellent. Okay, so that's enough. Okay, so now we are going to take them apart, take the pieces apart. No, don't press it. So we have our shapes. Star. You wanna help Mommy? What we are going to do is we are going to place these sugar cookies in the oven. I have the oven currently set to 350 degrees, and we are going to have these sugar cookies in the oven for 7 minutes. That's right, Jeremiah. So here, Jeremiah, hold on to this. Let's go place it in the oven. Jeremiah and I are now going to decorate the sugar cookies. So Jeremiah, let's take this green icing here, and let's look here on the Christmas tree. Oh, let's shake it, hold on. Okay, hold it, Mommy. Good job. And we're just going to, wow, nicely look. Yeah, you wanna add some of the rainbow? So what we have here are different colors of icing, as well as some candy, or I should say, so we have some candy balls, rainbow sprinkles, and some bread sprinkles, okay? So Jeremiah, take some of the sprinkles. Yep. Like this. Look what mommy's doing. Something like this. Look, and look on the sugar cookie. Okay? Yep. Don't take too much. Yep, a little bit. Yep, and put on the cookie. Good job. Okay. Good job, Jeremiah. So I will let you, oh, mommy's making a mess. So I will let you do the candy and the sprinkles. No, don't take too much, and mommy will put the icing. That's right. Oh, so what will happen is with the icing, we will let the icing cool down. Like, I'm really not that great in arts and crafts, as you can kind of see, but it's just the fun component. Rainbow. Okay, Jeremiah, add the sprinkles here, because the icing. Yeah, so let's add some rainbow bits here. Let's add some sprinkles here. Not so much. Oh, okay, have fun. Mommy will put the icing on. Okay. This is taking me back to when I was Jeremiah's age. Okay. Yeah, mommy's gonna add some. Jeremiah's just having a blast. Okay. So Jeremiah, we're gonna come like this. Add some sprinkles like this. Good job. Okay, we're gonna add some dots on here. Oh, the reindeer doesn't have. Jeremiah, I love your masterpiece. Okay, we're just add. Here, take some red. Let's add some red here. Let's add some on the reindeer. The reindeer doesn't have that many things on there. Good job. And we are all done. So this is what Jeremiah and Mummy's sugar cookies look like. This is so good, Jeremiah. Good job. High five, Jeremiah.